Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of elegant glam crystal tea light holders. And so what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants, and these are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree: you're going to need 2 of these glass square candle holders, and you're going to need 1 pack of these glass tea light holders. They do come in a pack of 2. And from Walmart, I have picked up some of these peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using, for the purposes of the video, hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to make these permanent or you're going to be using them for an extensive period of time, I would recommend using something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond to help to make them permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these tea light holders turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.